Hi all. Welcome to Aruru Naturals. Today, let's talk about the wonderful benefits of Multani Mitti, also known as Fuller's Earth, a natural beauty secret loved for generations. Multani Mitti deeply cleanses your skin, removing dirt and excess oil. It leaves your skin fresh, bright, and naturally glowing. It helps control oil production, unclogs pores, and reduces acne and pimples, giving you clearer skin. Multani Mitti isn't just for skin. It acts as a natural hair cleanser, removing excess oil, dandruff, and keeping your scalp healthy. Applied on minor burns, rashes, or insect bites, it cools and soothes the skin naturally. Multani Mitti gently exfoliates dead skin cells, making your skin smoother and softer. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like. See you next time with more natural beauty tips from Aruru Naturals.